Today we are going to solve this equation to find the x value. Solution: square root of x square root of x equal to 3 square root of 3. We are going to take a square on both sides. So square root of x square root of x whole square equal to 3 square root of 3 whole square. This square and square root can cancel each other. Here x square root of x equal to 3 square root of 3 whole square. Now x equal to 3 square is 9. Now this cancels this, so 3. X square root of x equal to 27. Now take a square on both sides. So square here square. So x square, this cancel each other. So it is x equal to 27 square. So x cube here 27 is 3 to the power of 3 whole power. So we know that a power m whole power n equal to a power m times of n equal to a power n whole power m. We are going to change this. So x power 3 equal to 3 power 2 whole power 3. So x power 3 equal to, this is 9 power 3. We are moving this left hand side. So x power 3 minus 9 power 3 equal to 0. A power 3 minus b power 3 equal to a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. This formula we are going to implement here. X minus 9 x square plus 9x plus 81 equal to 0. Now we have two equations. One is x minus 9 equal to 0. Other one is x square plus 9x plus 81 equal to 0. X equal to 9. This is one solution. Here we are going to apply quadratic equation. Now a equal to 1, b equal to 9, c equal to 81. We know that x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now x equal to minus 9 plus or minus square root of 9 square minus 4 times of 1 times of 81 by 2 times of 1. Now x equal to minus 9 plus or minus square root of 81 minus 4 times of 81 by 2. Now x equal to minus 9 plus or minus, here 81 and 81 is common. We are going to take common 81. 81 1 minus 4 by 2. Now x equal to minus 9 plus or minus 81. This is minus 3 by 2. Now x equal to minus 9 plus or minus 81 square root is 9 This is minus 3 by 2. Now x equal to minus 9 plus or minus 9. This square root of 3 times of minus 1. Now by 2. Now x equal to minus 9 plus or minus 9. Square root of 3 minus 1 is I by 2. 1 is minus 9 plus or minus 9 square root of 3i by 2. We have solutions is x equal to 9, x2 equal to minus 9 plus 9 square root of 3i by 2. x3 is minus 9 minus 9 square root of 3i by 2. These are the possible answers.